Transportation's running. You can hear it. Just gotta watch out for the old lady crossing the street. Now you know why I like wee hour bike rides. I'll make my own bike lane. Hey, I'm Fish. Let's get on going. Get on biking. Episode number 2. Not that bad. It's been 375 for the past number of days. It hasn't risen up. Maybe it just settled down. But it still go up. Trust us. It's a beautiful day. 70 degrees, but the wind is blowing. This is still a little cool. Oh yeah, these are the days that you look to get on out. Go have some fun. Well, I got both cameras with me right now. I'm shooting with the extra Atto. Yes, indeed. I got the Muse right there. I think I'm gonna do my highlight with it. Hey, let's go get my highlight of a talk. Let's get it going. Go pick another spot. That's the most popular spot around. I know I'm shooting in 1/200 over 8,000 shutter speed on this nice, wonderful day. And the moon is over there, half a moon. And the circle is on top, nothing on the bottom. So here I am. Man, yeah, I just want to make sure I get off my bike and I don't drop it and have my extra Muse fall to the floor. I have my Muse on the Lanzi PK10. And it can snap off. Not what I want. I'm gonna have to go put you somewhere. I'm not using the mic, but it's underneath my chest for the Muse. Time for me to go switch on over. I just don't set up my camera. I shoot and go. I'm like ready to fall off this thing. And with the extra Atto, I don't really got to do anything but grab and go. Well, the extra Muse has become my primary camera today. And I get, not this, I don't get the breathing. I get kind of like a little focus hunt if I'm not paying attention. And I'm not sure why. Like I said, I think I got to get it off of that breathing. I just don't want to do it. Fish, just stop the video, get it off of breathing, use it, see how your videos come out, continue on. Breathing was off. I have to remember what breathing is. Maybe somebody could tell me what breathing is of the extra Muse. What does breathing do when the camera comes close to me? It defocus things. When I get close, make the background unfocused, and when I get away. Of course, all my videos for the past number of days was in the off. So maybe I need to switch back to the off, rather being on right now, and change continuous. Maybe it's got to be on product showcase instead. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm not going to worry about it, like I said. Sometimes it's hard for me to see during this bright light. It's cloudy, overcast, and sunny, all at the same time. I am using the DJI Mic 2, and I will go for an extra mic, just to be in the extra family, and hopefully the price will be not all the way up there, but reasonable. $59 for the DJI Mic 2. And they come out with the extra Mic 2 for $49. Oh man, that's a no-brainer to get one. I think I hit portrait and back to landscape and auto rotate. I think I have to hit it to landscape so I stay locked on. I think there are 3 types of settings on it. Just like I said, I don't know why that it's got to be loose. I'm not on subject tracking. All right. Something happened. I got this orange screen and I just can't see it. Be a little too late for me to see it, but I am recording. I'm on subject tracking. I gotta clean my glasses, man. They're dirty. How far can I go away and it could track me? If I'm close by, I can outrun subject tracking. Could you? Doing a good job keeping up with me. I gotta make sure I see it. I can't see the screen, but I can see the camera going this way. That's not that bad. I'm 15, 20 feet away. How about now? You're gonna be this far away for subject tracking? How about this far? Let's see if I could get the head to go. I could do a nice radius circle. I don't know. There it is. It's following me. The thing is, I gotta put a flag on you so I can see the flag like this. Maybe have it blink. You still see me? Highlighted the talk. Oh yeah, man. I'm testing this out. You wanna know how many feet? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 feet. You hear the sirens? Is this far enough for you? Let's run. I give up. I'm not going to test this much further. This is about bike ride. I'm not bike riding, people. Let's run. Your kids playing football, playing softball. Yeah. Run around. Keep going. You're still with me? All right. I can't go that far. I can only go so far. Maybe the next model will go around 540 degrees. That's all I heard today, man. I heard the sirens running all day. Just keep on going. Busy day, I guess. Well, I had my highlight of my talk, my share of the talk. Time for me to get on out of here. I'll finish off by riding along with the Addo. See if I remember where I could go edit. I did a couple of my reviews with Cyberlink, and it's not that bad. Pretty good. Doing a good job. That fire engine's in here somewhere, not that far off. I don't see it down the road. And I didn't have any problems. It did it a lot faster than Wondershare Filmora 15. Well, maybe I'll continue to use it and get better at it. And then before you know it, I still have Wondershare Filmora 15 in my pocket. But I gotta go pay for 365 power direct to Cyberlink. Like I said, I heard sirens. Guess what? I haven't heard the ice cream truck today, but I bet y'all hear it any day now. Well, Fish, we did a great ride today. It wasn't that far, but it was comfortable indeed. Don't forget to set your camera back to 1/100 over 8,000. Yeah, I can set a custom if I like, and so forth. Time for me to get on going. I'm gonna meet up with Joe to take care of little bizwax. I'm Fish. Time to put you away. Later.